In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect your Bitwarden vault by backing up and encrypting it. If you're someone who values the safety of your online information, these steps will ensure that your Bitwarden vault is as secure as possible. First things first, you want to head over to the Bitwarden website. Bitwarden is widely regarded as one of the best password managers for personal, business, and enterprise use, offering robust security for all of your sensitive information. Once you're on the site, you'll need to access your account. This is done by clicking on the Login option, which you'll find prominently displayed on the home page. You'll log in using your credentials to access your vault. Once logged in, navigate to your Bitwarden vault. This is where all your passwords and secure information are stored. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this area, since it will be the hub of our security-enhancing actions today. Next, we need to head to the Settings menu of your vault. Locate and click on the Settings option to open up more detailed controls over your account. Here, you'll have the opportunity to make crucial adjustments that will safeguard your data. Within Settings, what we're really interested in is the Security section. It's here that you'll manage various aspects of your vault's protection. Click on Security to reveal multiple security configuration options. As we continue, you'll want to navigate to the Providers option. By clicking on Providers, we're allowing Bitwarden to help manage authentication methods, which we will use to enhance security further during this process. One of the most important steps in this process is setting up a two-step login, sometimes referred to as two-factor authentication. In your security settings, you'll see an option for two-step login. Clicking this will provide you with methods to fortify your login process. This essential step ensures that even if someone cracks your password, they still won't be able to access your account without a secondary form of verification, adding an extra layer of security to your vault. Finally, to maximize your security features, consider enabling an authenticator app or YubiKey. By enabling these, you add a robust secondary layer of authentication, which is often a requirement for advanced security protocols. This step completes the process of securing your Bitwarden vault, providing peace of mind knowing that your information is now backed up and encrypted with strong, secure methods. These steps provide the foundational steps to protecting your Bitwarden vault, ensuring your data's integrity and security. Remember, regular checks and a keen focus on security settings will aid in keeping your information safe in the long run. Stay secure and take these proactive steps to protect your data today.